alcohol is not a solution to anything. Even if you are in a depression, even if you are angry and you think that alcohol will bring happiness, it's a short-lived, dangerous happiness. Never find alcohol as a solution to your happiness. There's no happiness in alcohol. There is hangover in alcohol. There is sickness in alcohol. You must ask those who drink. The following day they look like zombies. Even Vaseline doesn't sit on their skin. It doesn't matter how much long they bath because of that alcohol. Save yourself from puzza face. Start drinking water and leave alcohol. Alcohol is not sustainable.